Hey guys, welcome back to the Craftsman lawnmower restoration. So, I couldn't stop working on it last night. But as you can see, I got the hood off. And got the wiring disconnected as of right now. I cleaned up the gas tank, which I can show you in a second. Here's the gas tank. It looks a lot nicer now, doesn't it? So we're putting gas in that. Oh, I wanted to see something. So yeah. What else did I do? That's basically it. You know, I told myself to stop working, and I just couldn't stop working on it. It was so fun, so easy to be taken apart. So yeah, I got the hood off. I'm either gonna start clean off a little bit, and as you can see, it comes off like right there. Anyways, I'm just messing with the starter. Oh yeah, that's right. I also got some stuff painted. As you can see, I painted the air filter cover brand white. And I also painted the shroud, which should be dry by now. I still have to do this side and do more coats on it, but I'm liking the air filter cover. It's turning out magnificent. So yeah, I was just worried about overspray with that. So I'll do that again. Yeah, I think it's time that we reassemble some stuff and see if I can get this thing to run today. Which I'm really hoping it does. Alright, see you soon. Alrighty then, I got the gas tank installed. I'm gonna do the lines, I'm gonna put some gas in it, and we're gonna see if we can start this puppy up. But first, before I do that, I'm also going to clean out this flywheel here. Because I think I should, and I think that'd be the smartest idea right now. Alrighty guys. Let's just wait for that to dry off. Anyways, so I got the gas tank on, got the thing on. I hit the shroud and the air filter with another coat of paint. So I'm hoping this works. What happened? It's not dying. It's not dying as of right now. Ah! I have no idea what that was. It literally wouldn't die. It stopped, it continued running, it wouldn't die. So that's very weird. I don't know what's going on here. I don't know if I don't know what happened. Also, I think the belt came out under here. I honestly don't know. The belt's on perfectly. Maybe I just didn't shift it into gear properly enough, but everything's on perfectly. Reverse works, that's good. What's going on? That was really weird, and I just realized that all the bolts and nuts came out that hold on the thing. They all fucking came out. And they all came out. Thought I'd bring you with, but I guess not. What happened? I don't know. Why didn't it shut off? That's my question. That was really weird. It ran, and it didn't stop running. Didn't actually help, or what happened, or... Yeah, it wouldn't stop running. It ran. Oops, sorry. I honestly don't know. Like I said. I really don't know what to tell you. It ran good, but then it wouldn't shut off. And I even have the key on off, and it still ran. So I'm gonna have to look that up, because I'm not good with that. I'm not gonna be pulling the plug every time. Alright, well I guess I'll see you in the next one. I might put new tires on it between episodes, but that's fine, I think. I don't know what happened. I'm gonna look it up and see what happened. Okay, one last quick update. I got it running. I figured it out, how to shut it off. You just have to pull this up a little bit. I don't know why that works, but it works. And that's what I'm going to stick with instead of having to pull the spark plug every time. Little bad news. I forgot that the oil fill wasn't hooked up, fell out, and I got oil everywhere. So I'm going to have to clean it all over again. Oh, I'm sorry. I just got a mouthful of words in a short amount of time. But yeah, it runs and drives, except for first gear. I don't know if maybe I'm not shifting it right or something, but... first gear doesn't seem to work, but I'm fine without that now. So I took it, and I drove it there, and then I drove it back around there, and I turned it around, and drove it back, and then I parked it, and backed it in, and yeah, it works perfectly. Kind of, yes. So I'm going to put the shroud cover on next time before I run it. Because I think that'd be a very smart idea. Unfortunately, I lost some of the bolts. I know. Hate on me for it, but it's what I do. I'm going to actually close that. I don't want that going on. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry for the little PS at the end, but yeah, it runs and drives.